Okay, Bismillah. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. How are you, Fatma bete?
Hi.
Okay, that's really great. Okay, Fatma Mohsen, do recitation bete.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس صدق الله العظيم.
Okay. As I told you, today we have a competition. So listen it carefully. We are starting a debate competition. Clear? I'll be sharing a topic. Few has to speak about the topic in against, and few has to speak about the topic in favor. Am I clear to everyone? You can unmute yourselves to be more confused. Now are you getting it?
Teacher, speak loudly or not clear.
Now am I audible to all of you?
Yes.
Show thumbs up sign to me if I'm look at that. Yes, now. Am I audible? Okay, listen it carefully. We are starting a debate competition. I'll be giving a topic to you. You have to speak in favor or in against of the topic. Is that clear to everyone? Show thumbs up sign. Use Zoom option to thumbs up. Please. Okay.
आप कहाँ बैठी हैं? आवाज आपकी मतलब भारी है या ऐसे लग रहा है कि खाली कमरे में बैठी हैं आप.
Okay. Yes, bete, because of my children, na, otherwise they will disturb me a lot. They won't allow me to take the class. You know, Batul, she's too young. So I can't allow her to come in the class right now, na? This is my compulsion. Okay, let's start the topic, my dear. Coming to the topic. So our today's topic is you have to speak about this pandemic SOPs. Fine. Do you know which scenario is going on, which situation is going on nowadays? You all know that. So are you in favor of this SOPs which we are observing and following it? And are you in against of this SOPs? So I'm making two teams. One is of 5 red and one of 5 green. Sorry, 6 red and 6 green. Fine. Is that clear? 5 red will speak in favor of SOPs and 6 green will speak in against. Okay? Let me allow Danish.
Miss, who will speak? Teacher, who will speak in our from our class in the against?
You all are having one. Green is having one. Bete, listen.
Miss, कोई leader भी होगा? Miss, you are not audible.
Now are you getting the voice of mine? Am I audible?
Miss, थोड़ी सी कटी है.
अच्छा
Your
ठीक.
voice is so cutting.
Now is it
Maybe
clear?
of the internet bandwidth.
Yeah, bete, nowadays everyone is facing this issue. Now Sinan is joining us. Let Sinan join. Okay. Now Muhammad Danish bete, am I audible to you?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Listen it carefully. We are having two teams. How many?
Two teams.
Okay. One of 6 red and the other of 6 green. Am I clear? 6 6 red will
Yes.
speak in favor of SOPs, and 6 green will speak against of them. Am I clear?
नहीं
All
नहीं
the
नहीं
students who are from 6 green, they are against of SOPs. ठीक है? And 6 red student will speak in favor.
Means teacher, whole class will be participate.
Both the class are no bete 6 red and only two sections we are having. Am I clear? I want everyone.
So what we have to do? What we have to do?
Bete, you have to speak about the topic in against. Fine. It's a debate competition. You have to share very solid or very authentic points. Fine. Okay. Bete, please open the video of yours, Anaya. Daniel also join us, let other student join us.
Teacher, we have to make a video.
No, bete, right now in online session you have to do. It's online competition. Okay. It's online competition. Anaya, bete, please open video. Dania, Reja, open video. So, 6 red, leader is Rafe. Am I clear to everyone? Listen it carefully. 6 red, leader is Rafe. Abdul Rafe.
Okay.
And 6 green, leader is Sinan. Am I clear?
Yes, miss.
Sinan?
Yes, miss.
Sinan,
Yes.
Sinan and Rafi can have co-partners. Fine. Rafi and Sinan suggest to whom you wish to have as co-partner. Who will assist you?
Okay.
Rafi, yes, let me know. You are the main leader of your group. You have to share the name to whom you want to select. Quickly, बेटे share the name of the student जिसको आप अपने साथ co-partner बनाना चाहते हैं. All the students will participate, but one will assist you. Dania, Aryan, and Anaya, please open it. Yes, dear. Okay, Sinan, unmute yourself. Sinan, unmute yourself. Whom you wish to select?
Teacher, I want to select
Aryan, Dania, and Anaya, please open video.
Danish.
Muhammad Danish?
Yes.
Okay, Muhammad Danish, you are partner of Sinan and the whole class is your team. You both are the leader, you are the co-partner and Had is Sinan. Okay, please everyone, open the video. Again, I'm sharing, we are starting a debate competition. Clear? In that one has to speak in favor of SOPs and the other has to speak against. All the students are requested to open the video. Okay. Now, Sinan, start with your points. Why are you in favor of SOPs? Sorry, why are you in against of this SOPs? Come on, quickly.
Should not follow SOPs because we do 5 times wuzu and we pray namaz.
So, that's the reason you think that we don't need to follow the SOPs.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, yes, Rafe. What will you say? Rafe, you are not audible.
मिस हमें SOPs
Speak in
को
English.
सुनना चाहिए. You have to
English.
follow the SOPs.
Rafe, thoroughly you have to speak in English, please. And it's a speaking. It's an activity. Come on. A solid reason you have to speak thoroughly with, please. Yes. Rafe, speak up. Okay. Muhammad Danish. Now Rafe is saying we have to follow. Now give a solid reason in favor of your partner. Unmute yourself.
मैं हम लोग को 5 वक्त की नमाज भी पढ़नी चाहिए, वुजू भी करना चाहिए, लेकिन
Muhammad Danish.
भी फॉलोज करनी चाहिए.
Again speak
वैसे हम लोग को 5 वक्त का वुजू भी करना चाहिए और
Danish.
नमाज भी पढ़नी चाहिए.
Dear Danish, it's an English blog going on. ठीक है?
Yes, we want to do 5 time wuzu and 5 time prayers, but we want to follow SOPs because एहतियात इलाज से बेहतर है.
You are against of that. You are in 6th green group, so you cannot share point regarding it. Come on, you have to favor your partner. Come on.
Okay, मिस हम लोग को
Speak in English.
मिस हम लोग we want to offer 5 times namaz and 5 times wuzu, and we want to pray for dua so we can save, Allah will save us.
Okay, Anaya, do you wish to add something in that?
इसका 40 क्या अच्छा ये बता दो मुझे आज.
See, Anaya.
6 है.
Anaya,
Yes.
you are against of the topic. You are with 6 green.
Okay.
Now share the points of yours.
We should not follow the SOPs because Allah is with us and Allah will save us.
Okay.
And we can follow the rules, but if Allah wants to do corona, so he can.
Okay. In Anaya's opinion, Allah can save us from each and everything. We don't need to follow the SOPs. So, what do you think about it? AR6 rat, if we don't follow SOPs, can we get this virus quickly? Abdullah Danish, share it. Abdullah Danish, I want you to speak about it. Quickly. Bete, it has 10 marks, which I will include in your test. So everyone should speak about it.
We do not want to.
You are in favor,
follow
Bete, you are in favor. Abdullah Danish, you are in favor. You are in 6 right now. Quickly. Quickly, Bete, Abdullah Danish. Okay. Aryan want to say something. Aryan, yes. Abdullah Danish, you take too much time, my dear. You have to continue the topic. Aryan, speak up. Why do you think we have
Teacher,
to follow
if
that?
we don't,
You are
teacher,
in
if we
favor.
don't follow,
Okay,
teacher,
you
if
are in
we
favor.
don't follow SOPs,
Okay.
teacher, if we don't follow SOPs, so Allah Ta'ala will be sad from us.
Okay, but you are in favor, Naryan. Okay, all the students get my point, bete. 6 rat are in favor of SOPs. Here 6 rat, like Aryan, Abdullah Danish, who are from 6 rat, they are in favor. Or those students who are from 6 grade, they are against of that. So please listen carefully. What you have, you should listen the other's point and then you have to speak about it. Listen the other partner what they are sharing right now. Then you have to speak about it. G. Now Aryan, speak up.
Teacher, we want to follow SOPs because Allah Ta'ala is saying that we want to do namaz daily and do wudu.
So what is the relation of namaz with the SOPs? G. Asghar, you wish to add other point? Come on, speak up. Asghar?
Yes, miss.
Yes. Why do you think we don't need to follow the SOPs?
Because
Very good.
we
Speak up.
because Ali said we don't want to follow the SOPs because in
Yes, Asghar.
sanitizer there are chemicals and we don't want to wear a mask.
Okay. Asghar, you have to be fluent and you have to speak little bit clearly, Betty. You are not clear right now. Okay. Fatma Mohsin, add more points. Add more points. I want everyone to add solid points, Betty. G.
In normal life, we don't obey the rules, so how can I obey these rules? That's why we don't like SOPs.
Very good, very solid point, Fatma. Okay. Now who will? Mubashir, now you speak up. What do you think? Mubashir, do take part in that? Excuse me.
Miss?
What do you think about it? Fatma shared something about it. Do you think she's right?
Yes, Miss, she's right.
So give a solid reason. Why do you think that? Yes. Why are you in favor of Fatma? There should be a reason behind it, na? If you are in favor or in against of something. So what's the reason behind it? When we like something, there's a reason behind it. When we don't like something, there's a reason behind it. So yes, do let me know the reason. Why are you in favor of Fatma Mohsin?
मिस वो इसलिए सही कह रही है कि वो
Try to speak,
SOPs
communicate
को
in English, Mubashir. Answer should be in English. Okay. Now I want Moise to add more point. G Moise, speak up. We are. Okay, yes, better Moise, speak up. Mohammad Saqib, unmute yourself and open the video. Rija, Humaira, Amsal, Mubashir, Amsal, Amna Sheikh, and I am removing you. Within 2 minutes, I am removing you. Because you are in the class and you are not opening the video. G, do let me know. Moise, Amna, Mubashir. G, 6 red are in favor of SOPs. Yes, Abdullah Danish want to share. G, Abdullah Danish, speak up. Abdullah Danish, unmute yourself.
We have to follow SOPs because if we will not follow SOPs, Allah, our God will punish us, and we have to pray 5 times a day.
Yes, very good. More points? More points, Abdul Danish. Very good. Okay. Abdullah Danish is in favor of SOPs and he is saying we have to offer namaz and with that we have to follow SOPs. Okay. Yes, Yusra, what will you say about it? Yusra, speak about it. Do you think he is right or wrong? Do you think Abdullah Danish
Right.
is so? Why do you think so? Why should we follow the SOPs? Rija, Anaya, Sal, Mois, I told you I will remove you. Yusra, unmute yourself. Tell the reason, bete. Why do you think so? Bete, it has 10 marks. You all should take part in a proper manner. Mois, you won't be getting marks of it. Anaya, Mubashir, listen it carefully. Those students who are not opening the video and not taking part in the competition, they will not be getting any marks. Okay. Shahraza, speak about it. Ji Shahraza. Okay, Anaya. Ji Shahraza. Why do you think they have to follow the SOPs? Yes, Aryan, I'll be giving you as well. Please wait. I'll be giving chance to everyone. Ji Shahraza, speak about it. Do you all know what are the SOPs? Do you all know that? We will continue this topic again by tomorrow. 10 minutes we have. I want students to share more points. Okay. Aryan wish to contribute. Yes, Aryan. What will you say?
Teacher, if we don't follow SOPs, so when we die, so we will go in hell and Allah punish us.
Okay. Aryan is saying if we follow SOPs, we will not be punished. And if we don't follow, we'll be punished for that. Sinan, what will you say? Come on.
We do not want to follow the SOPs because we do 5 times wuzu and we pray 5 times, and we do not want to follow the SOPs because Allah will save us.
Okay. So Sinan is stick to the point that Allah will save from everything to everything. We don't need to follow it. And Aryan is saying,
No, teacher, we don't want to follow it.
okay, very good. Yes. So what will you say, Aryan, about it? Ji Aryan.
Teacher, we want to follow SOPs.
Why should we follow? What will happen?
Because if we don't follow SOPs, so Allah punish us.
Okay. Yes, Abhiya, you wish to say something? Abhiya, speak up. Ji Abhiya.
Yes, teacher, I'm asking in the debate competition. Teacher, when the Sinan and the Aryan will speak, so teacher, the team members also have to speak against them, no?
Definitely. Yes, definitely. You have to support your team, na? Yes. Yes, Abhiya, you have to support Sinan.
Okay. If you will believe in Allah and if you will recite some supplications, so Allah will save us and we don't have to follow the SOPs.
Something else other than that. This point is already been shared by Sinan. Something else. Okay, Fatma Mohsin. Yes, Fatma Mohsin, speak up. Fatma Mohsin, speak up.
We can't handshake with our friends and we can't hug with our parents. How can I control ourselves? We were enjoying our life with full of fun. After pandemic attack, our life is too much stressful.
Okay. Fatma thinks all that. Who is in favor of that? You know, this SOP is sending us far from all the things. Is that so? We are going away from our relatives, our siblings. We can't.
Yes, teacher.
So we are stuck
Yes,
in
teacher.
one
They
place.
are saying social distancing.
Yes. So what do you think about it? Yes, Yusra wish to share something. Yusra, speak up.
What means of it?
Yusra, we don't have much time. Quickly, have to share. Okay, Anaya, speak up.
Well, we don't follow SOPs. Allah save us, and on this pandemic, Allah will also save us.
Definitely, Allah will save everyone. But why do you
Yes, teacher.
all
And
need to follow?
teacher, Allah has written when someone will die or live.
Okay. Everything definitely Allah will do. But why do you think so? I want a solid reason behind it. Okay, Shahraza, wish to add more point. Okay, I am unmuting Shahraza, all 6 red team. Come on, Shahraza, unmute yourself. Danish, unmute yourself. And Rafi, unmute yourself.